The top 3 best scan tools with ECU programming. Hey guys, welcome to our channel. Before we dive in fully into this video, please take a moment to subscribe to our channel. Also, turn on the bell icon to stay updated on our future uploads, and be sure to also like and share this video to support our channel. When that check engine light pops on, and your heart sinks because you're sure the car dealership is going to charge you an arm and a leg, with the right tool, you can take matters into your own hands and skip that costly trip to the service center if you have any of the 3 top best scan tools with ECU programming feature that will be shown in this video. Yes, I know, reprogramming your car's ECU, which is a short form for engine control unit, might sound scary and technical, but with some of the latest tech tools, it's something you can do yourself at home and off cause with the right skill or knowledge. And the best part? You can save a whole lot of money. I'm not talking about a few dollars here and there. This could save you over $1,000, that these high-end scanners can actually boost your car's performance and help with some personalized custom settings of your car. Why should you consider high-end aftermarket scan tools like these ones? Anyway, well, I will simply put that these high-end aftermarket diagnostic scanner tools aren't just good for one thing. They are multi-purpose. They are basically a jack of all trades when it comes to car maintenance, problem discovery, and resolutions. Beyond ECU programming, they can handle stuff like key programming, relearn procedures, ABS bleeding, you name it. If you're someone who loves DIY car care, any one of these 3 scanners might be just the tool for your toolbox. At the end of the day, ECU programming is all about making your ride feel just the right way. So, choose your tool and start tweaking your ride. The top 3 best scan tools with ECU programming. The selection rating of these tools are based on their features, capability, cost, and quality. So here are the 3 best scan tools with ECU programming. Number 1, Xtool D8. BT new upgraded diagnostic tool rated 4.5 out of 5 stars and priced at $699 currently. This is not your average car tool. As an end user of the Xtool D8 BT, I can honestly say that it feels like having your very own mechanic available whenever needed. Has remarkable features to make diagnosing car issues easy, and it's not just me that feels this way either. This ECU programming scanner is rated 4.5 out of 5 stars rating from research on other customer satisfaction. Not only can this multifunctional diagnostic scanner identify problems with your car, it also interacts with your vehicle as well with bidirectional control and ECU coding capabilities that enable testing and inspection systems easily. This is powered by battery power and features an 8-inch touch display. Android 5. 1.1 runs smoothly on it, as does its quick 1.8 GHz quad-core processor with ample 2 GB plus 64 GB storage. Plus, there's built-in speaker microphone support, so your car speaks your language directly. And knowing that this tool offers a 3-year free software update plan. The Xtool D8 BT supports key programming and reset functions like oil reset, EPB reset, SAS reset, and DPF reset throttle BMS ABS bleed. So not only can it find issues, but help fix them as well. Additional key features: bidirectional control and ECU coding decoding. Comes with powerful and quality hardware that a 1.8 GHz quad-core processor powers. Offers 2 GB plus 64 GB storage, helping in the speedy delivery and execution of operations for diagnostics. It comes with a 3-year free software update to help keep pace with the newer and latest car models as technologies advance. Pros: it has a very versatile functionality as it supports key programming and a bidirectional scanner system, which includes a vast range of vehicle model control resets, such as oil reset, EPB, SAS, DPF, throttle, BMS, ABS bleed, etc. User-friendly, features an 8-inch touch display and runs on the reliable Android 5, 1.1, which makes it easy to operate. Cons: it may be considered pricey by some people. Though easy for most individuals, some may find it challenging to use due to its wide range of functionality and features. You can get his tool here. Number 2, Launch X. 431 diagnostic scanner rated 4.3 out of 5 stars and priced at $659 presently. The 2023 Elite Launch X 431 Diagun 5 isn't just another tool in your garage. It's a game-changing piece of tech, perfect for savvy mechanics and DIY car buffers alike. This car scanner gadget doesn't just read codes, it's practically a toolbox that fits in your pocket when taken out of its toolbox. It performs all full of advanced features like ECU coding and key programming, with additional 35+ services. As if that wasn't enough, it's even got a unique PMI function, and the Diagun V comes with a bidirectional control feature that helps speeds up your diagnostics and makes the whole process easy. For me, this 2023 Elite Launch X431 Diagun 5 is a standout car diagnostic tool and is the way to go if you want something portable with professional features. Though it might have a few quirks, the rave reviews and cool functionality make this ECU programming tool one you will hate to miss. So whether you are a pro mechanic or just a car owner working only your personal vehicle, this tool might just shift your diagnostics game. Pros: it has an inclusive and user-friendly layout and a simple testing process. A test is accessible to everyone regardless of digital literacy skills or experience if you have time to learn. Its wide content coverage makes sure you get a comprehensive evaluation and analysis. Thanks to its capacity to handle a large user load, it's perfect for big organizations or public exams. This test tool prioritizes user security, ensuring your personal data remains confidential and safe. Cons: performing tests requires a strong internet connection. Otherwise, results won't be accurate when there are weak or patchy networks. The design and functionality depth may make it overwhelming for new and inexperienced users. As with anything tech-related, some people have complained of unexpected disruptions during testing due to tech glitches or so. All the tools will be linked in the description box, so be sure to check them out. Number 3. Autel Maxicom MK908P Scan Tool. Rated 4.5 out of 5 stars, and priced at $2,169. The Autel Scanner Maxicom MK908 Pro 2 is a pretty stellar piece of kit. Just one look at its hardware and slick Android 10 interface, and you will easily be sold. However, my only con to this scanner is that it's very pricey and also bulky. The Autel Scanner Maxicom MK908 Pro 2 runs on a sturdy Qualcomm 660 CPU with 4GB/128GB memory, and is fantastic when it comes to pulling diagnostic information of kinds. What sets it apart is that it covers or caters to over 150 brands. Whether you're trying to diagnose a Tesla or a McLaren, this tool doesn't shy away. I must give a shout out to the ECU coding feature. Offering both online and offline coding options, it's flexible enough to let users tweak settings or turn off unneeded functions as required. It has the J2534 programming features, allowing for software replacement in ECUs and new ECU programming, and helps resolve software-controlled issues without breaking a sweat. Features next-level hardware and software, which result in fast diagnostics. Comprehensive brand coverage, as it supports over 150 vehicle brands. Support ECU coding, which helps customize your car setting to meet your preferences and disable unnecessary functions that you don't like or need altogether. Pros: most car makes models are supported. Compatibility: has advanced features, guided functions, power balance, and component matching that can cater to high-end dealership tools jobs. High customer overall satisfaction. Cons: reliance on internet access. In the description box is where you will see links to all these scanners, so be sure to check. So there you have them, the top 3 best scan tools with ECU programming. If you want a product with the perfect balance between price, features, user experience, and quality, then consider investing in the X-Tool D8BT new upgraded diagnostic tool. You could find yourself feeling as though your own personal mechanic were always with you. You don't have to imagine. Packed full of advanced features yet operating smoothly through Android systems makes the D8BT is your ideal partner in car care. Not sure which option would best meet your needs? When making your selection, keep this in mind. The Launch X 431 portable system could be ideal for those looking portable scanner with extra features, while the Autel Maxicom MK908P is a high-end scanner that will fit auto shop tasks as the most expensive, and it is really not a must-have tool for every individual. Except you are a mechanic, then this will be your best option. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel to see more videos from us, and thank you for watching. I will see you in my next video. Bye.